Yeah, what tier 9? Let's see. Oh, let's use yellows. I'm gonna fight now. Okay, I'm going in. What does IGI and
in. You're gonna get tricked off with all these BMTs and stuff. Definitely gonna get cooked. What in Abrams? Oh, come on, man. Didn't even pen him. Where's the ammo right here? Look at it. Can't even pen him. Okay, I'm gonna play it a little bit defensively.
you're not the best place to be. Let's see. This team, nothing's even there. How can a prototype to fight the original, bro? Even the rejected prototype. So first, this is not yours, I mean, I thought even selected. So looks like I won't get shot from behind. What's happening here? This was capture the flag, man. I need some points. Okay, nice. See someone here, right?
Bruh, I don't know what to do. No problem, R3. Thank you so much for joining, man. Okay, let's just tickle him. Can't pin him. Whoa, finally I killed someone. Yay, BMP, nice. Whoa, who's that? What, I did hit someone? Bradley, no. Hey, welcome back. FW. What? Nice. Yeah, keep turning, T72. Right. Whoa! Real nice. Someone doing pretty well in up tier. But the sad thing is I'm about to run out of ammo. This is his ammo, right? Ooh. Okay, I ran out of ammo now. And I lost my engine too. Freaking Bradley here. Okay, now I have to overpressure them. Let's not repair the engine, man. This is insane. Okay, thank you so much. Destructive. Why am I doing better in tier 10 than tier 8? Oh, hey. That is turret. Let me go.